Easy to use. Simply fill with your favorite loose leaf tea and perch on your cup to enjoy perfectly brewed tea. Hassle-free cleaning. After use, discard the loose tea leaves and
I'll give you a cool cinematic back sound recommendation.
2-pack tea infuser, stainless steel tea infuser stick pipe tea diffuser for loose tea leaf diffuser food grade fine mesh tea filter. High quality, the tea infuser for loose tea is made of food grade House Again 2-pack tea ball infuser and cooking infuser. Extra fine mesh tea infuser threaded connection 18/8 stainless steel with extended chain hook to brew loose leaf tea, spices and seasonings. Unlike traditional tea ball or twist lid infuser, our tea strainer features threaded connection design that you'll feel easier to open and close when using. Besides, it seals more tightly so tea leaves will not leak out during tea ball infuser for loose tea 2-pack stainless steel. Easy to clean. Our special design allows you to open lids on both ends for a thorough, very easy to clean and safe dishwasher wash. Compared to another strainer in the market that has only one lid, it is better than any tea ball filter. Our loose tea diffuser is designed to be easy to clean with running water only. Easy to use, the tea spreader can properly rest on the tip of the cup and one provided bottom, suitable for most standard cups, mugs, tea jugs. Easy to put in and out. 3PCS tea infuser, upgraded tea strainer, premium tea infusers for loose tea, tea steeper, tea ball for tea flavoring herbal spices seasonings. 3PCS tea ball, made of premium 304 stainless steel, high-quality material makes these tea steepers safe to use, durable and rust-proof, catches finer particles, includes seasoning spice. Applicable scene, ideal for use with all types of loose leaf teas like white, green, oolong, black and chai. Use with your own custom blends of herbal,